Hello, it's your queen Tatelicious again, and today I will do another song from the Advent world, the SDA. The song is called Zuarangu Mponesi. You know, when I did the first song, one of my old schoolmates wrote to me and said, "You know what, Queen, I'm going through a hard, terrible time in my life." She's a single mother of 4 now, and a lot of terrible things are happening to her. So I just want you to be strong, my dear. You know, life is what it is, and sometimes you just have to keep on believing in what you know. Maybe it's your faith, maybe it's where you are going, but just know that there is something higher which looks upon you. So it goes like, Zuarangu Mponesi Kuno Penya Apomuri Muram Izezaka Jipe Zinosundi Zikatira Apo Hope Sondi Batan Maziso Angu Afigwa Ndo Tondera Kucha Naka Kuna Jesu Kunsorora Garanani Zuvarese Dichengete Guvasese Garanani Pau Siku Kanajeperu Furuangu Di Komborere Ndomuka Disati Da Pindambasa Di Chanakapa Zire Zakara Di Shike Denga. Stay blessed, my old schoolmate, and this song goes to all of you. Makandi Koshira Mufunge, and bye for now.